What's up, Car Rev 3 fam? We have something absolutely insane in the building today, and I am not gonna lie, this thing actually hits different. We are looking at the 2026 Ferrari Purosangue, and no joke, that surprised me in the best way possible. Right off the bat, looking at this dark gunmetal gray exterior, it is undeniably menacing and gives off major stealth fighter vibes. The front end is super aggressive with those sleek split headlights and the massive black mesh grille that feeds air directly into the V12 engine. The iconic prancing horse logo sits perfectly centered on the nose, commanding absolute respect. Moving to the side profile, the stance is completely wide and planted. It rolls on huge 22-inch front and 23-inch rear black forged wheels, contrasting sick against the gray paint. And you gotta check out these rear welcome doors. They open backward on a rear hinge, and it is a total flex every time you climb in. Out back, the LED taillights have that classic Ferrari twin pod look integrated super clean right into the active floating spoiler. Down below, those massive quad exhaust pipes sticking out of the aggressive rear diffuser look absolutely wild. The overall design is crazy aerodynamic, but it still screams exotic supercar rather than a boring family hauler. Alright, so here's the deal. Stepping inside the cabin feels like you are piloting a legit spaceship. The color vibe is incredible with these premium cream white leather seats mixed with dark Alcantara and black carbon fiber literally everywhere. The front seats are super bolstered and hug you tight during hard cornering, but are comfy for a long road trip. The dashboard layout is wild because there's no center infotainment screen like normal. Instead, the passenger gets their very own 10.2-inch digital screen to control the music and see the live performance stats, which is a super cool flex. The carbon fiber steering wheel feels perfect, packed with massive metal paddle shifters and the Manatino dial. Even the rear seats are legit individual bucket seats, giving passengers the full exotic supercar experience with decent legroom. The boot space is totally usable too, giving you 16 cubic feet of cargo room for luggage, which is honestly pretty solid for a Ferrari. But let us talk about the real reason you're dropping serious cash on this ride: the engine. Under that long sculpted hood is a massive 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12, pumping out a mind-blowing 715 HP and 528 pound-feet of torque. It's paired to a lightning-fast 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, and the driving feel is unreal. It handles like a low-slung track car, not a heavy SUV. Honestly, the advanced active suspension hides the weight, and the steering is insanely precise. You're clearly not buying a V12 for fuel economy, so expect around 12 mpg city and 16 mpg highway, but the roar of that exhaust note is worth every drop of gas. In the US market, this beast starts right around $400,000 before you even look at options. That puts it against heavy hitters like the Lamborghini Urus and Aston Martin DBX 707, but the Purosangue feels like it is in a different league purely because of that V12. So, for the final verdict, who should actually buy this thing? If you want the ultimate exotic performance car but need real-world usability to take friends out to dinner or carry some travel bags, this is the absolute pinnacle. It gives you the raw, unmatched emotion of a Ferrari with the practicality you need for daily driving. Alright, if you're digging this crazy ride, go ahead and smash that like button, hit subscribe, and keep rolling with Car Rev 3 so you never miss another absolute banger of a review.